Okay, number 9 says situation 2. 2 less than. 2 less, so minus 2. 2 less than the product of a negative 3. Okay, product means multiply. And this says negative 3. So I know I'm supposed to be multiplying something. And another number. Oh, so this negative 3 is being multiplied by another number. So let's put an x in there. That's my other number that I don't know. Is greater than. So greater than 7. Alright, so it looks like I have a 2 less than the product. So a product, and I believe it's going to be minus 2n. Let's see. I'm not 2n, excuse me, minus 2. Let's double check my picture. Yeah. So here's my negative 3x's. There's my negative 2. And here's my 7. So perfect. Negative 3x minus 2 is greater than 7. So that's my inequality. I have my picture to show that. And now verbal steps and algebraic. So I'm just rewriting. First step, just like in an equation, we get rid of this constant. So I'm adding 2 to both sides. Adding 2 to both sides. My 2's will cancel. And 7 plus 2 equals 9. Then bring down. A lot of you forget. I want to bring down that negative 3x. And I have negative 3x is greater than 9. The goal is to get the x alone, which means I'm going to be dividing by negative 3. Now here's where that special rule comes into play, and we'll talk about it in just a second. But I would divide by negative 3 on both sides. Divide by negative 3 on both sides. Those will cancel. So 3's or negative 3's cancel. And over here, 3 goes into 9 3 times. So 9 divided by negative 3 is 3. But I have a negative divided by a positive. I can play tic-tac-toe to help me remember. And that would mean a positive divided by a negative is negative. So it's a negative. Bring down my inequality and bring down my x. Now, I talked about that special rule. Anytime your variable has a negative attached to it, then we also have to flip the sign. So anytime you multiply or divide by a negative. And it really is because of this negative variable. So by a negative variable, I must flip the sign. So instead of it being x is greater than negative 3, it's actually x is less than negative 3. And to graph that, I would find negative 3. It's not equal to, so it is empty. And then in which direction would I show my line? My arrow would go to the left.